and welcome back to another video tour with Sheila from Thompson Leisure. Today I am here to show you a brand new WILDAX Constellation, 2-berth, 4-belt. Let's take a look. Look at that lovely grey exterior, really nice and fresh. Of course you do have your electric step and then feeding into your nice large living area. What is brilliant about this is how wide this space is, you know, having that extra room to get into the vehicle. This is the original setup for whenever you're traveling, and I'll show you what this does in just a little second. Lovely upholstery here, a nice soft leatherette, and your standard. I really like the new upholstery in the WILDAXes. Moving down the vehicle then, you have your nice large workspace, and you don't really get that in a lot of camper vans. Sink, 3 gas hob, and then your combined oven and grill just below that. Across is your microwave up above, nice large fridge and freezer box and fridge drawer under there as well. And then tons of storage and cupboard space in this vehicle. Nice wardrobe space there, separated into 2 sections. So you can hang your clothes up, you can put things underneath as well. And then moving down into your bathroom. So this is like a wet room with your sink, your toilet, and then your shower in there as well. What's brilliant about these vehicles is that indoor-outdoor living space. So you do have access to them 2 doors at the back. It means that if you have a paddleboard or a pair of bikes, you can always scoot them in from the back and then access them again from the rear as well. And then this is your main living area. Now you can keep it like this whenever you're traveling if you don't have other passengers. You know, it is secure in the way that it's set up. You would just need to fold these down. But lovely, nice, large sofa. And what's brilliant about this motorhome is that massive entry door, because it really emphasizes that indoor-outdoor living space. You know, you can close over your fly screen, but you're still in that nature environment. You have that lovely open view, and for me, it's the horses. So there we have it, folks. That was a brand new WILDAX Constellation, and personal favourite of mine. Not being biased, but I do really love that layout. I love that open entry door. If you'd like to know more about the vehicle, if you'd like me to make up the double bed, please reach out. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call 028 92693 999, or drop a message down below and I'll pick all them up, and I'll see you in the next video.